Hello students, here is the question. We have two dice that are rolled. If both the dice have six faces numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11, then the probability that the sum of the numbers on the top faces is less than or equal to 8 is. So we need the sum of these two dice to be less than or equal to 8. So what we can do is we can just write these pairs, that is 1 comma 1 can be the pair because their sum is less than 8. 1 comma 2 is the pair, 1 comma 3 you can do that, or you can look at the numbers, whatever numbers give us the sum greater than 8, you can just discard and write the rest. So the total number of ordered pairs are 17, and we know that for two dice that are rolled, the total number of pairs is 36. That is 36 outcomes are possible, and out of that only 17 are the ones that we need. So the probability becomes 17 by 36, which is option A. Thank you.